What's up, collectors? Welcome back to Unwrap the Wrap Mail Day Vlog. Now, full disclosure about today's package. This is an older delivery from Toonie Wheels India that accidentally got pushed aside under the stack of other boxes. It's been sitting here for a while, but today we are finally going to open it. And trust me, guys, the heat inside this box is totally worth the wait. That's a good packaging from Toonie Wheels. It has cardboard for the corners and a bubble wrap as well. The bubble wrap is nicely packed, I would say. If you're seeing the pink box, you guys know what it's going to be, guys. So here we have Mini GT, Kaido House, 180, Toyota Sprinter, Truno, Kaido Street, V1. It's a good packaging. Kaido House usually have a good packaging, I would say. And I don't believe that I kept this package aside. Seriously, guys. This is an absolute heavyweight legend. Check out the Porsche Roxy. The Porsche 911 GTR 2024 IMSA Road America AO Racing. This both of these casting are easy 10 out of 10. Which one of these two beasts should get full silent cinematic ASMR review first? The Slam Truno or the White Body Roxy? Drop your vote below, hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you up in the next Unwrap the Wrap video. Bye guys, see you later.